Hey guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. So this past weekend was Pride in Baltimore City and I was super pumped to be able to go to the parade and I had a lot of fun and I did this rainbow glitter lip and a lot of you guys asked for a tutorial on it, which super surprised me because I'm not a makeup pro. I just like makeup a lot. Please check out the description box below. I got this inspiration for this look from Jasmine, who has a YouTube channel and an Instagram, and she's just super talented. So please check out her stuff below. But if you'd like to see the rainbow glitter lip, then keep watching.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one.
And I filmed my outro with the microphone not on. What the hell? Anyway, if you guys do try this look, please tag me on Instagram at Glitterfallout. I would love to see your recreations. So you guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all Glitterfallout. I love you guys so much. You are my super rock stars and I love you with my whole heart. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.